Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing 3 of the most useful problem-solving techniques: working backwards, organized lists, and making diagrams. These methods are more efficient than brute force or trial and error, and in most cases, they can guide you to a correct answer quicker. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Working backwards can be useful in problems where an entity or quantity undergoes several consequent operations, and we only have information regarding its outcome. Let's try it out on a sample problem. June Ma was given an allowance by his mother to buy new clothes. He spent 1,200 pesos on shoes, 1/3 of the remainder on shirts, and 80% of the remainder on pants. If June Ma has 200 pesos left over, how much money did his mother give him? We can make a table to represent the problem. This can make things more systematic, and therefore clearer and easier to understand. We retraced June Ma's steps by filling out the table. He was left with 200 pesos, so we use that as a starting point. Retracing our steps, his previous purchase was pants, so we divide the remaining amount 200 by 20%. We then backtrack his purchase of shirts, dividing 1,000 by 2/3, giving us 1,500. Remember, at this point, we have already backtracked the shirt purchase. We then move on to shoes. June Ma may have bought the shoes, but since we're going in reverse, we add the 1,200 to his money instead of subtracting it. Adding 1,500 to 1,200, we end up with 2,700, the amount of money June Ma started with before making any purchase. Therefore, this will be our final answer. The second strategy in problem solving is to make an organized list. There are problems wherein you need to eliminate a bunch of possibilities in order to arrive at the right answer. Keeping an organized list of potential answers can make the whole process more systematic, allowing you to solve the problem faster while minimizing the risk of making a mistake. Let's look at this example. If I have 10 coins, made up of 5 peso coins and 1 peso coins, and they total to 26 pesos, how many of each coin do I have? We can solve this problem by tallying the ratio of coins we have, and the corresponding value. We start with 1 5 peso coin, and then increase that while maintaining the 10 coin count. Once we reach a value of 26, we have our answer. I have 4 5 peso coins and 6 1 peso coins. The third kind of problem-solving strategy is to make a diagram. Doing so can help you visualize a problem, and it can make certain tricks in questions readily apparent. Diagrams can help you visualize changes over time, like in motion problems. It can also be super useful in geometry-related problems. Let's try to apply the diagramming strategy to an example. Assume you have a field that is 10 meters by 8 meters. If you want to put fence posts every 2 meters, how many fence posts will you need? A diagram of this problem will probably look something like this. The problem is super tricky because of the corners. They can be miscounted fairly easily. By drawing the diagram, we are able to identify that corners can be a problem area when counting out fence posts. Make sure you try to think of the right approach first instead of blindly attacking the problem. In the long run, you will end up saving time and being more accurate in your problem-solving dilemmas. That's a wrap. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.